Good day, Pinoy Clicksters and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. For this video, a small box with big things. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a consolidated package from Buy and Ship, and we are recording to protect our rights while unboxing. And all claims must be submitted within 3 days of shipment receipt. Claims without unboxing videos may be rejected. Okay, which again works well for us because we always unbox our videos, our consolidated package as part of our YouTube channel. Okay, and by the way, if you have not done so, please like, subscribe, and share. Anyway, this is a consolidated package of only 2 items, meaning from 2 sources, so it's quite light, less than a pound. But I had to consolidate because some of the items here are not just for me, okay, for someone else, and of course we want to deliver it as soon as possible. Okay, real success stories. Okay, start bidding on Buy and Ship. Now, interesting. Buy and Ship bidding. Resale price 170k, bid 65k, 48k, 13.5. Ooh. Just bidding request, your max bid, and then pay. And that's it. Track and receive. Okay, I might check it out. Again, I'll give you this one here. Try it out. Start bidding on Buy and Ship. Okay, I'll check it out after the unboxing. Okay, so as I said, only 2 items. I think both are from eBay, if I'm not mistaken, or one from Person and then one from eBay. So this one is from KM Vanks. Okay, so must be an eBay seller. Okay, so sometimes I tend to forget who I get the item from. Okay, once I get it, I just wait for it. Okay, and again, with the delay, and because we're from the Philippines, it might take like usually almost a month for it to get from US to Hong Kong, and then Hong Kong to the Philippines via Buy and Ship. So anyway, let me open it. Okay, and this one should contain the item for me. Lots of papers, but what we need is this. Okay, and it's the venomized Phoenix Force. Okay, so definitely there will be a separate unboxing video for this. She is one of our last ones in the set because she has the X-Men keyword, of course. Okay, so let me see her. There she is with all her glory and worms. Okay, again, separate unboxing video. So for now, we'll put it on the side, and let's go and open the other box. This one is from Valiant Games LLC. Okay, also from eBay. Usually we get it from eBay because Troll and Toad and what do you call this, cool stuff don't carry any more Heroclix. So for this we have, okay, I remember this one. We have the Absorbing Man. Is it LE? And then we have, you see it here, we have the Unicorn LE. So this will be another unboxing video. And we have Poison Thanos. Okay, so this one is to be shipped out to someone else, not mine. So I'm glad that it's already protected. But where's Thanos himself? There you go. This should be Thanos. There you go. So Thanos arrived in the Philippines. Okay. Okay, so let's take a look at Absorbing Man. We won't make a separate video for Absorbing Man, so let's open him now. This one is my last one, I guess, in Smash and Destroy. I've collected most of the Absorbing Man because he has the Alpha Flight keyword, which is X-Men adjacent. Okay, but I just realized there is a set 099 Absorbing Man, so that's why I had to get him. Okay, so let's see. Alpha Flight, Avengers, Hulkbusters, Thunderbolt, and Brute keywords. I think that's the common keywords across all Absorbing Man rather. The Masters of Evil team ability, and the trait Becoming My Surroundings. Free. Choose an adjacent non-debris terrain marker and place it on this card, removing any other terrain markers on this card from the game. Absorbing Man can use the effect corresponding to the types of terrain on his card. Unlocking, Close Combat Expert and Quake. Good. Elevated, Flurry, Giant Reach 2. Also good. Hindering, Stealth and Steel Energy. Okay. And Water, Plasticity, and Shape Change. Okay, that's good. Yes, improved movement, elevation, and characters. And yeah, Carl Creel doesn't have any other trait aside from that. At 75 points, he starts off with Charge, Super Strength, Invincible, and 4 Empower. Moves into Sidestep, Poison, and ends with Battle Fury. Okay, so again, I might give him a try, but for now, he's a collection piece. So yeah. That is the end of this particular unboxing. Expect 1-2 video for what we have here, and possibly a third one if I can squeeze it in. But I'd like to ship Thanos as soon as possible. But for now, bye.